Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to draw human torso, and let's start. So here we have a image, example or reference, and let me show you some basic lines. So here are basic lines, basic shapes of a torso. So we have breasts. We have breasts right here. We have some lines right over here, and it depends, those lines depends about how much strong you want to make your character. So if you want to make your character look strong, draw it like triangle, and if you want to make, let's say, normal character, then draw it slightly less triangular shape. Yeah. Alright, so those are basic shapes, but there are some more shapes, as you can see right here. So we have some, those I don't really know the name, but neck muscles right up there. You have six-pack right here. It's called six-pack because there are six of those muscles. And yeah, that's basically it, but I want to show you how to draw it. So usually when you draw, you don't have, you start with blank canvas, blank paper, so you can't draw on image. So I will show you now how to start. And as I showed you in proportions, you start with ribcage. Let's draw ribcage. So this is middle line, so it shows that ribcage will or body will look towards us, and then draw those how's that called, shoulder, yeah, shoulder lines, and then go slightly to triangle like this, but don't go too much. Try to find that middle ground, again middle ground, everything middle ground. And here we have ribcage, and here we will go legs, but I will just draw a circle because this is not a tutorial about legs. Okay, let's, oh, this is nice. Alright, and this is this body will watch towards us, so we don't need to draw any 3D shapes. And let's start. So arms will go here. Let's just draw two circles, but we won't draw arms this time. Neck will go right here, and these muscles, they're going from neck towards arms. Those muscles right here, if you can see them. Yeah. So two basic muscles. Later when you will draw arms, you will go something like this, but I will show you in next tutorial how to draw arms. And now you have to find this right here line where you will start with your breasts. So if we measure this, it's on the 1/4, or no, 1/3 of an torso. Yeah, 1/3. So if we divide this to three parts, we will get probably right here. So let's start from there. And this guy is on image is really strong, have nice definition, so his muscles are going a bit down, but normally your muscles will go a bit not so much down. But let's just draw that. Okay, let's do that in another color. Yeah, color. Okay, let's start from here. And you have these bones right here that are really important. See this V shape right here, and from that there you are going towards your shoulders, and that line will actually continue to your shoulders like this, so that's really important. That line is right over here. Draw that V shape, and we, as you can see, we have nice breasts, male breasts, yeah. And now it depends how much you want your character to be, you know, be muscular, to be strong. I want to find, let's say, some middle ground. By the way, when I started, you know, to learn proportions and everything, I drew a lot of superheroes, and superheroes are, you know, really strong. They have big you know, breasts, male, strong, you know, so that's a bit problem when you want to draw normal size. Alright, as you can see here, I just drew one line, and after that one line, you know, don't finish it and start from here, because can you see this? Yeah, that's that line. And here is little, you know, edge, because there is a bone that's going right here, you know, it goes something like this. That's how body is built. I don't really know this, you know, professional name for that, but never mind now. And if you want to draw, you know, six-pack, but no, not everyone have, you know, six-pack, so you can, you know, just put maybe some indicators that there are some muscles, something like this. Yeah, that should be nice. And here we have our torso, you know, almost over. So here we'll go legs, you know, probably somewhere right here, you know. Arms will go here, and yeah, and wait, I will show you a little trick. When you want to draw super strong guy, you know, then here put a little muscles that look like this. So, you know, just that's actually look better when you draw from the side. I will show you how when you draw from the side. So like this. Okay, let me get that straight. All right, and here you have, you know, here will go arm, and here will go arm, but you can see that arm because it's behind, and here are going that muscles. Here on this body you can't really see that muscle, but on those really you know, muscular, really strong bodybuilders, you can see that muscles. Yeah, and a lot of superheroes have that, because when they draw superheroes they want to draw them strong. And that's basically it, you know. Whoops, why is that so thick? Okay, this is it. Male, you know, torso. Now I will show you how to draw a female torso. So I don't have an example of, you know, image, but I will show you right here. So when you start drawing on blank paper, you want to start drawing, you know, towards you is pointing that torso, and start the same, you know, but this time do it more, put it more, you know, towards middle, like this. See that? So that's a bit different than you know, male. And here we'll go legs a bit wider, because, you know, females have, you know, how to say that, oh my god, wider hip or hips, I still don't know how to pronounce that, but never mind. Alright, here we'll go, you know, be later. Okay, arms will go here, and now let's do that lines. So female have nice, you know, shape of an sand clock. Yeah, so not all, of course, but sand clock is, you know what's sand clock? It's this actually, you know, this shape. And if you want to make, you know, draw beautiful female, you will do that. Alright, so now I just saw that I made too wide those shoulders, you know, so I will correct them a little. Alright, and now let's draw a neck first. Yeah, neck. A bit smaller those, you know, neck muscles, smaller, you know, and same V shape is right here. You can actually see that V shape better on, you know, female than male, but this time it don't go up, it go let me take another color. Oh my god, I can't see what I'm drawing. Okay, black V shape right here, but a bit you know, little, and this time it don't go like this, you know, it goes down, you know. You can draw some details, and this will continue for, you know, a shoulder, but we want to draw shoulder. And now if we want to draw female breasts, start from right here, draw 2 lines, you know, and you can draw 2 circles, but I usually don't draw 2 circles, but to help you. And from here, you know, just to, let's say here, okay, you can experiment, you can go to the middle. I usually go just a little bit, you know, from this middle line and here, and, you know, get back to this, but to this V shape. And on the other side, let's actually take better line. You know, it's a bit harder to get that from first shot, but as you can see, try to experiment like me, and I'm sure you will succeed. Okay, and that's basically it. Let's remove those guidelines. You know, remove guidelines. Yeah, as you can see, I'm still experimenting, and we got breasts, you know. And here, as I can see, we should make a bit wider, you know, hips, but I will cheat a little. I will use my, you know, digital resource to make it wider. Yeah. Yeah, it's not, you want to make sure it's not too much and not too little. It's a bit, you know, harder, but as you can see, let's get back to, okay, let's go with black color. And women don't have those rough lines like men. They have, you know, nice body. And they have, you know, don't really have six-pack. At least I never see six-pack woman with six-pack, you know, but you can indicate that there are some muscles like this. And that's basically, you know, it. I drew that. If we remove, okay, I can't remove actually white lines, but as you can see, legs will continue right here, you know, like this wide, you know, see. But I won't draw legs now. And that's basically it, you know. I showed you how to draw male torso, how to draw female torso. I showed you on the image, and the next episode I'll show you how to draw, you know, arms right over here, you know. And yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.